What I wouldn't give for a pickle right now. Sounds good to go right along with my sandwich. Oh, I'd love that crunch. Wait a minute! Who ate all the pickles?
Hi there. Welcome to Foodie Friday. And today, get excited because in honor of National Pickle Day on November 14th, which is interesting because if you think about it, at the end of a harvest, you have all sorts of leftover vegetables. And you know what? Some people do something called canning. So I'm wondering if that was where this all began, anyways. Hmm. Well, interestingly enough, pickles are a favorite flavor. Really? How? Well, funny you should ask. There's even freeze pops that are pickles flavored. Chips, Doritos, even candy canes. Isn't that interesting? Popcorn, marshmallows, pickle soup, nuts, and you can even get small little portable bags of pickles in the grocery store in the refrigerator section so you can drop them in a lunchbox. How easy, how portable, right? How did this all start, anyways? Well, interestingly enough, it's been said that it's been in existence since 2030 BCE. What? How's that possible? Well, the whole idea is that a pickle could last forever as long as it was soaked in a brine, and it would kind of be a way to preserve it for a long time. Well, today I hope to offer you a recipe that you can make with cucumbers and ranch dressing mix. You know, the powdered stuff? Oh, our family loves ranch. So it's a different little twist. And of course, fresh dill, garlic, and onion. So it can be an overnight special treat that you can make with leftover cucumbers from your garden. Or, hey, pick up some cucumbers from the store and make your own either way. And it's overnight, so it's pretty simple. And what I found to also play with the America Recycle Day, which is coming up this month as well, you could always reuse a glass jar with a lid. And I offer that suggestion because I know currently we're finding a shortage of mason jars across our nation because so many people are deciding to preserve their special gardens that they planted earlier this year. So be sure to find a special container that you can house your pickles and get your materials and join me.
Got cucumbers? Well, then, no fear. With that, some onion, garlic, and dill, vinegar, salt, sugar, pepper, and even a ranch packet. You can make overnight ranch pickles. First, fill a jar with fresh dill. Next, add a quarter cup of diced onions. Next, 2 garlic heads crushed, and add them right into your jar. You can use an old jar that you washed out or find a mason jar. Next, slice up cucumbers thinly to add to the jar. You're going to want to stack them right in there, nice and tight. And when you think you don't have enough cucumbers, keep adding on more so it's filled to the top. Next, put that aside and get a small saucepan ready with 1.5 cups of water, 3/4 cup vinegar, make sure it's white vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, a full packet of ranch seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, preferably kosher salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Put it on high to boil. Now make sure you have an adult helping you with the boiling brine that you're creating. Make sure you have someone help you to dump the boiling brine into the jar. And you can also use a funnel to do this. It will look cloudy, and that's because of the ranch seasoning. No problem. Put a lid on it, put it in your refrigerator overnight, and voila, pickles will be ready by morning.
How about some pickle facts? Fun facts about pickles. Did you know that 60%, actually, let's go almost as close as 70% of all households eat pickles? Wow. That means that a household would be buying pickles at least every 53 days. So you could even make your own. And I snuck off
to grab some pickles. Let me see how they came out. Oh my goodness, super fantastic. Shh, don't tell anybody or they'll eat them all on me. Enjoy your overnight pickles and stay healthy, friends. I love you very much. Have a great one. Bye-bye. I found these titles at the Manlius Library for further study. Canning and Preserving. All about canning and preserving. And the Preservation Kitchen, as well as the Complete Book of Home Preserving, and For Fun, Pickles to Pittsburgh by the same author as Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. You can find these books and more at the Manlius Library.